यस माय फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस मीन्स combination of capacitor in which first of all that is a equivalent capacitance. एक्चुअली कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रजिस्टर्स ऑलरेडी आप क्लास 10th में पढ़े हुए हैं और उसी तरीके से इन प्लेस ऑफ अ रजिस्टर वी आर यूजिंग अ कैपेसिटर. So equivalent resistor which you know very well, and same way equivalent capacitance. Here I have written the definition when number of capacitors are connected in an electrical circuit. We can replace a combination of replace number of capacitor with the help of a single capacitor, that is called equivalent capacitor, and their capacitance is equal to the number of capacitors, that is called equivalent capacitor. और इफेक्टिव इक्विवेलेंट कैपेसिटेंस और इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस. क्लियर. नेक्स्ट आता है सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द कैपेसिटर. व्हेन नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सच अ वे one plate of the first capacitor is connected to the first plate one plate of the first capacitor is connected to the first plate of a second capacitor, and second plate of the second capacitor is connected to the first plate of a third capacitor. Like that, just you see the figure, it is better to understand. That is the plate 1 and plate 2. Means it is, suppose that it is the first capacitor, means number of capacitors are connected in such a way, means first plate of secondary capacitor is connected to the second plate of a first capacitor, or first plate of this capacitor is connected to a positive terminal of battery, and second plate of this capacitor, second capacitor is connected to a first plate of third capacitor, and second plate of a third capacitor is connected to a first plate of next capacitor, and so on, and second plate of a last capacitor is connected to a negative terminal of battery. Such combination is called the series combination. मीन्स एक के बाद एक कनेक्टेड है तो ये सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. और इसी को थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाइड लैंग्वेज में हमने इसकी डेफिनेशन लिखी है. व्हेन नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन सच अ वे so that the charge on each capacitor remains same is called series combination. Charge इन पे सेम रहेगा but potential difference it will be different. Okay, यहाँ पर C1, C2, C3 and so on Cn which are connected in a series combination. अब हमने यहाँ से इसको प्लस क्यू चार्ज दिया इस प्लेट को. बाय द इंडक्शन प्रोसेस नेगेटिव चार्ज इंड्यूस ऑन दिस प्लेट. इसकी नेगेटिव चार्ज, इसका मतलब ये नेगेटिव चार्ज कहाँ से आया, इसकी फर्स्ट प्लेट से, सेकेंड कैपेसिटर की फर्स्ट प्लेट से नेगेटिव चार्ज यहाँ पे आया. इसने इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन किए. इसका मतलब इट एक्वायर द पॉजिटिव चार्ज. इट मीन्स सेम अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, मीन्स जो चार्ज यहाँ आया वही चार्ज यहाँ आएगा, वही चार्ज यहाँ प्रोड्यूस होगा, वही चार्ज यहाँ होगा. Like that, charge it will remain same but having the different potential difference across it. Next, now we have to determine the different potential difference across each capacitor. V1 is equal to Q over C1, V2 is equal to Q over C2, V3 is equal to Q over C3. Clear? Next, total potential difference means that is V applied from this one, that is V1, V2, V3, V4 and Vn. Like that, we add it. V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 and so on, and put the value of V1, V2, V3 and we will get it. And V is equal to Q को कॉमन ले लिया, 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3, and next V upon Q हो जाएगा 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 and so on. Next we can write it, this can be written as 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3 and so on, and that is the formula for the series combination of the capacitor. Next we will talk about the parallel combination of the capacitor. Parallel combination में क्या है, means one plate of the capacitor. देखिए यहाँ फिगर देखेंगे, first plate of all capacitor is connected to a one common terminal and another plate of most of the capacitor which is all capacitor which is connected to another common terminal. Such combination is called parallel combination. Another definition means as per book, number of capacitors are connected in such a way the potential difference across each capacitor is remains same but having the different, it may be charge may be different. देखिए यहाँ पर C1, C2, C3 को हमने पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट किया, तो यहाँ से चार्ज हमारा Q चार्ज इस बैटरी से सप्लाई किया गया था, तो Q1, Q2, Q3 मान लिया हमने। तो हम यहाँ पे चार्ज की वैल्यू निकालेंगे, Q1 इजिकल टू C1 भी हो जाएगा, Q2 इजिकल टू C2 भी हो जाएगा, Q3 इजिकल टू C3 भी हो जाएगा। टोटल चार्ज को ऐड कर दिया, मीन्स C1 भी प्लस C2 भी प्लस C3 भी, लाइक दैट। यहाँ से V को कॉमन ले लिया, C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3 एंड V कॉमन आ गया, और इस V को यहाँ पे ले आए, Q ओवर V इजिकल टू C1 प्लस C2 प्लस C3 एंड सो ऑन, एंड दिस कैन बी रिटन एज C is equal to, that is C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 and so on. So these are the two expression for the series combination as well as the parallel combination. Lot of numericals which are based on these two combination. Later on we will discuss all the numericals. First of all, we must know the derivation of these combination of capacitance. Okay,